Good afternoon. We're finally back online and I can start watching everybody's videos and actually start commenting on people's videos. But the purpose of this one is a shout out for a really great fellow in the YouTube community. And he's doing a contest and I'm a little bit late because we have had no internet. We just couldn't do anything here. But I want to keep this short and quick and get it uploaded. And that's for Nathan. And also, we all know he's got a great channel. Most of you that sub to me or sub to him. You know that he samples beer, he does knives, he has a lot of knives, he does silver, which I don't understand totally. He sent me a wonderful silver piece once and I have it put away. And that's where it'll stay. But another channel I'm going to shout out at the same time that y'all ought to go sub to, because she does some good stuff. She doesn't put out thousands of videos, so it's not a channel that you always got to watch, like some of us, like me, tend to do occasionally. And that's Darlene, Nathan's daughter. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, Nathan, but I believe she does a lot of your editing and filming work with you, that you work together on your channel. And she has some good stuff. Check her out. I'm going to post a link to both channels. Now, I'm doing this on my iPad, so I will upload it, and then I'm going to go back and put the links in later after it uploads, because that's the way that has to work for me. I don't know why. Thanks for watching.